In this video, we're going to come up with a sine and cosine equation by this given graph. So if y is equal to a sine bx minus c form, then we know that our a is 3. And in order to find b, we can use the period, 2 pi over b. And in this case, period for sine and cosine is 2 pi over 3. So therefore, we know that b is equal to 3. And no phase shift for number 1, so I'm going to write y equal 3 sine 3x. For next one, it's a negative 3 sine. So we know that it has to be reflected over the x-axis. So I'm going to use pi over 3 to pi. So since the b value doesn't change and shifted to the right, pi over 3 units, my equation for number 2 should be y equal negative 3 sine of 3 of x minus pi over 3. For number 3, let's use the negative side of x-axis. So from negative pi over 2 to pi over 6, looks like a regular cosine, right, graph. And the b value doesn't change, but there was a shift, phase shift to the left pi over 2. So your equation for number 3 should be y equal 3 cosine 3 parentheses x plus pi over 2. For number 4, negative 3 cosine is reflected over the x-axis, so it should look like this. And b value doesn't change, so it will be x plus 5 pi over 6 parentheses for number 4. So you have infinitely many solutions for 1, 2, 3, 4, and I showed you only one. And you can also use the c over b value for your phase shift.